three, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hola! There we go!
I think we're ready.
Yes.
Hola, amigas y amigos. I am Ama.
And I am Ramon, and we are all the Storytellers of Plaza de la Familia! We are so excited to be here with all of you today to celebrate the musical world of Coco!
Así es, Ramon. Vamos, everyone. Let's get ready. We are traveling to bring stories to life through music and dance. Soon we may ask you to join us. And we cannot wait to create beautiful, lasting memories together. See, Ramon? Ramon!
Sorry,
What are you doing?
I was creating beautiful lasting memories together.
Ay, qué bueno. Now, Coco celebrates the heartwarming tale of little Miguel Rivera and how he brought his entire family together through his love of music.
That's right! There was one thing little Miguel loved more than singing a song and playing his guitar. It was a passion that ran deep inside of his heart. It was his love for... Oh, wait for it! Get their cameras ready! See? Familia!
Let's go, Ramon. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches.
Buenas noches, señoritas y señores.
Here with you tonight, vivido y qué alegría. For this music is my language and the world is mi familia. For this music is my language and the world is mi familia.
For this music is my language and the world is mi familia.
Now, in Santa Cecilia, where our story takes place, the Rivera family are proud and accomplished shoemakers. They make all types of shoes.
Boots, wingtips, guaraches. They can tell the size just by looking at the customer.
About size 6? Oh, no, size 7.
High arch, rotated. I guess you could say the line of work is full of soul. Get it, soul?
Ay, Ramon. Oh, speaking of soul, now is the moment for all of us to find a rhythm in our
Yes,
zapatos.
we're gonna have a couple of you come on out, but if not, don't worry, you'll still participate. Don't worry.
Anyone else want to try?
Yes, don't be shy. Come on.
Yes.
Very good. All right, everyone. Pongan atención. We are going to show you a rhythm, and all of you are going to repeat that rhythm.
See, everyone else out there can join us by clapping our hands and stomping our feet. Feel the music.
Very good. Are we ready, everyone? Feel the rhythm in your zapatos. Listen up. 1, 2, 3.
Now you.
Now you. It's all right.
Ready? Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Familia. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me go.
Now you.
Let me see him. There you go. That's it.
Put it all together now. 1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go now.
Everybody's so loud. This music is my language in the world that's
For this music is my language. For this music is my language in the world. It's my
Muy bien. Now let's give our friends a round of applause.
Yes! Thank you so much for sharing your souls with us! Get it? Get it out! You don't get it. You get it!
You all have so much talent.
I'm sorry, that's in true.
Great job, Ramon.
Ay, gracias. As we learned from Little Miguel, music allows us to express ourselves. A song has a way of connecting us with our deepest emotions. Joy, celebration, passion, and yes, sometimes even sadness.
Ay, de mi llorona.
Imelda, Miguel's great-great-grandmother.
Llorona de azul celeste.
Even though she abandoned music, it still lived deep in her soul.
Ay, de mi llorona. Llorona de azul celeste. Y aunque la vida me cueste llorona, no dejaré de quererte, no dejaré de quererte.
Emma. Beautifully done.
Thank you, Ramon. Let me
My
practice.
turn. Senoritas. This way.
Excellent.
Well, everyone knows Juanita. Her eyes each a different color. Her teeth stick out and her chin goes in. And her knuckles they drag on the floor.
Wait, why are you singing this?
Oh, because it's funny, no? No? No, but that was Hector, Miguel's great-great-grandfather. He didn't just sing, everyone knows Juanita, but he also wrote the most famous song for Ernesto de la Cruz.
Ernesto!
Remember me. Oh, I have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
See, Ramon, that's one way to remember the song.
Right.
When Miguel sang to his great-grandmother Coco, she began to recall the memory of her papa. Remember me. Oh, I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me.
Recuérdame,
Oh, I have to travel far. Remember me.
recuérdame.
The time you bring your sad guitar. Know that I'm with you, the only way that I can be. Until you're in my arms
Miguel, I know this song means so much to you. It encourages us to reflect on our loved ones who live deep in our hearts.
See, and on Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead, Miguel's family gathered to honor those who had passed on. They created an ofrenda, a memorial altar to the departed loved ones. Full flowers and candles adorned the ofrenda, along with a path of marigold petals guiding them back home.
Ah, yes! And on the eve of this special night, Miguel found himself crossing an enormous bridge of marigold petals that led him into the land of the dead. A magical place where no living person had ever been.
Oh, this is my favorite part!
Okay.
Miguel, this is your big moment. We are all so excited to hear you sing. Are you ready? Listo? I see. You're nervous. Remember when you sang in the land of the dead in front of an entire audience?
Even though they were dead.
Yes, Ramon, even though they were dead. Mira, Miguel, you did it before, muchacho. You can do it again.
Come on, Miguelito, loosen up, shake off those nerves. Give us your best grito, belt it out.
Wait, why don't we all help Miguel find his grito? Like this. Try it with us, everyone. Ready? And go. Ay, come on. I think we can do a little better than that. Uno, dos, tres.
Eso.
Hey, Miguel, now it's your turn.
Órale, seize your moment.
Vamos, chamaco.
Hey, hey. Wow, mira. Ah, that'll be cool.
Amigas y amigos, thank you for joining us and celebrating the musical world of Coco!
Coco reminds us that family means everything. Not only the ones we were born into,
But also the ones we choose. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón.
everyone's
Our love for each other will live on forever. Vamos juntos! In every beat of my proud corazón. Our love for each other will live on forever. In every beat of my proud corazón.
always remember that music connects us and brings everyone together in love.
Music is forever in our hearts, in our proud corazón.
So, thank you for joining us today. Gracias a todos.
And oh, Caesar Olive!
Vamos a bailar así. ¡Ay, vamos! ¡Eso!
Let's go!
Okay.
Show me what you got.
Wow, I need to practice with you. That's really good.
Okay, show me your spin.
Okay, fine. Okay. All right. Hey, not good?
I can spin too.
Oh, you go better than I do. Oh, my goodness.
Do the other one.
Oh, okay. Oh, good. I told you that was my head.
Look at this.
Ah, yes, exactly.
Hasta
See you
luego.
next time. Thank you all so
For joining
much.
us.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Thank you for joining us for the Storytellers of Plaza de la Familia celebrate the musical world of Coco. You may continue to enjoy your day here at Paradise Gardens. Muchas gracias por habernos acompañado a disfrutar the Storytellers of Plaza de la Familia celebrate the musical world of Coco. Esperamos que sigan disfrutando.